Alright, this is how to get the computer names out and sort out the servers for using the Netrix password reset tool for local admins. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to PowerShell here, and I use the ISE, which gives you the scripting page up top. And you can run this command. So the command basically says get AD computer, filter on nothing, properties, operating system, select name, operating system, format table, and auto size. And when we run that, you got to be logged in as an admin. I'm doing this right on the DC, and what it'll do is it'll dump out here a list of computers and their operating systems. We're not going to use their operating systems for other than filtering out what we don't need. I'll click in this window here and see if it'll select all. Should select all. Okay, now it's selecting all in that window. So you got to click in that window, and then I'll hit copy, and I'll go here and I'll paste it all in. I'll get rid of the prompt at the bottom, and I'll scroll to the top, and I'll get rid of all this garbage. So now I just got a file, and I'm going to save that as a text file, and I'll call this to my desktop. I'll call it test. Now when you use Excel, close this, I'll file open, I'll get the text file on my desktop, and it'll see it, and you'll just set it as a fixed width. Go next, and then get rid of, double click these and get rid of the little arrows. You only want one arrow right on the W for the windows, and it should segregate everything, and then you just hit finish. And if I resize these columns, you'll see I can now data sort by column B, and hit OK. And now I can see all my operating systems, and the first thing I'll do is get rid of these because they're not going to be able to have a local password set, so I'll delete those. Windows 10 Enterprise, I'll leave all those. I'll leave all the Windows Pros, Windows 7s. Then I get down to the servers. Now, you may know some of these servers that need to stay there, like this one. But for my test here, I'm just going to take all the servers and get rid of them. Oops. I want to delete the rows. And now I have just the platforms I want to reset. Then what I'm going to do is kill this column and then save this as a text file. New. And I'll continue, and I got a text file here. You can see it's new, just the computer names. And there's about, in this particular setup, we've got about 834. So now I can use that tool, which I'll bring up here in a second.